Hey, what's up guys? I'm here with a new video on the Misfit Shine today, and the reason for that is because they introduced an update to their iOS app which added a bunch of new things like manual weight tracking and refreshed the UI a little bit. But the reason I wanted to make a video on it is because just of one new feature: Smart Alarm. So the idea behind that is that it will help wake you up easier and on time. Now, I don't know about you, but whenever I've set an alarm on my iPhone through the clock app, I turn the volume all the way up, I set the most annoying alarm sound, and then I set it to the time that I want it to wake me up, and I never wake up. It manages to wake up everyone else except me, and I have no idea why. So with that in mind, I was really excited to see that Misfit Wearables was updating their app to include an alarm feature. Now, the way this works is that you open up the app and then you'll see that they've refreshed the UI a little bit, as I said, and what we want to do now is go to the central tab, and that is the new sleep tab. So previously, if any of you saw my review video of the Misfit Shine, which I still have and love to use, if you saw my review video, you saw that sleep used to be its own activity tile, so now they've moved it out of there and they've put it into its own separate tab, and what that lets you do is view your sleep activity for last night's sleep and all the nights before that. And it provides you information on how long you slept and how much of that was deep or REM sleep, and that's always been there, that's nothing new. So the new feature there, as I said before, is the Smart Alarm. The way that works is you go ahead and tap on the bell or the alarm icon, you set what time you want it to wake you up, and then you turn it on, activate night mode if you wish, make sure you keep Bluetooth on your iOS device, and that you obviously wear your Misfit Shine on your wrist when you're going to bed, and make sure you keep your iOS device, say, on a table or something around 1.5 meters away from the Shine, because I'm pretty sure that's how Bluetooth Low Energy, I'm pretty sure that's the range of Bluetooth LE. And by keeping Bluetooth on and keeping that app open, the Shine can continue to communicate with your iOS device and thus the app while you're sleeping. And the reason that's important is because it can monitor your sleep state to determine whether you're in light or deep sleep. And that is very important because from the time that you specify to be woken up, it will check from half an hour in advance to see whether you're in deep sleep or light sleep. And the idea of that is that any time within that half an hour range, once it detects you have gone into light sleep, it will wake you up. And the advantage of that is that, one, your deep sleep isn't disturbed, so you won't wake up feeling like kind of groggy and you just want to go back to bed. And two, and because you're being woken up in light sleep, you will wake up feeling much more refreshed and ready to get out of bed and actually wake up. So that is the big advantage of the Smart Alarm feature, and what I'm going to say next sounds contradictory, but it plays softer sounds to wake you up. So like I said, I used to set an alarm on my iPhone and turn the volume all the way up and set the most annoying sound whatsoever, and I would never wake up. And I don't know why, I don't know if that's normal or abnormal, but it would just never wake me up with a loud noise. So I was a bit skeptical when I heard that this app is going to be using soft noises to wake you up. So I tried it out, and I actually woke up to the soft sound just immediately. And it was simply amazing that a softer noise could actually wake me up. Now, I'm sure that's actually tied to the fact that I was probably in light sleep at that point in time, but I thought, okay, it worked one night, let's try it a couple more nights. And it's been, must have been a bit over a week now since they introduced that feature, and I've been using it every night, and it has consistently woken me up at the time that I've specified. Like, not even 5 minutes later, like right on that minute, which is simply amazing. So that's why I wanted to make a video on this, to let anyone else that has a Misfit Shine know about this feature, because it is simply amazing. So if you haven't updated your app, I would recommend you go ahead and get that update, because it is live on the iOS App Store. And for Android users, I'm not entirely sure whether this feature is available in the Android app yet, but if it isn't, I'm sure they'll update it soon enough. And for those of you that haven't gotten a Misfit Shine, I hope this is, just another reason to get this device, because really, it is simply amazing and has really changed the way I viewed fitness, activity, and sleep in general. So Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please make sure you click the like button below and consider subscribing, because I'm going to keep making awesome videos for as long as I can throughout this year and hopefully beyond. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.